Go down. Easy. Oh. Still going down, I'm not missing this shot.
Oh, yes.
No. How are we gonna get our ball back?
my gosh.
What was that?
Oh, my gosh.
Stop. Oh no.
What was that?
It's either a homeless man or a weird bird, but maybe both. Maybe he's a hybrid.
Yeah.
Maybe he's a mutant.
Oh, a homeless bird.
Yeah, that's gross. He probably. Get down from there, bird. Seriously, dude, it's not cool.
Yeah.
Hit him. Hit his face. Hit his face. Oh! It looks like what I had for breakfast.
Hard boiled.
It definitely is. That wasn't very yummy.
Yeah, definitely.
I think you gotta get down there, chicken dude,
Yeah, sir.
weirdo.
You need to
Otherwise,
come
there's
down.
gonna be conflictions and complications. If you need to get down right now or throw your dead baby at you, get down.
Okay.
Well, I guess
We're done with this. We're just gonna keep praying.
or eating. Yeah, on the other hand, maybe not.
Let's just keep.
My fault. No, it's not fair. We're gonna miss again. Oh. Two.
Yes. Yes, I will. That's for class. Okay, alright.
You
got it.
You gotta go, dude. You gotta go.
Really, you're missing a lot of
It's
things.
done. You
It is a lot.
interfering with our game. It's done.
Hey guys, anyone, did you
Does
miss your
anyone-
bird?
Is there a bird missing?
I love birdies. Birdies are birdies, and I like them because they fly.
So is he yours?
I can fly.
Is he yours?
Anyone else?
Anyone?
Anyone?
Wait, I think I hear someone.
What
Okay, never mind. It's just an annoying girl.
Yeah.
Never mind.
kind of birdie is he?
Well,
You know,
it's
That's
so
not nice.
it's just,
well, do you want to see?
Can I watch it?
Yes, watch it.
Yay.
Just watch.
Ready?
Watch and learn. Watch.
Watch this.
It's annoying. That's all I know.
Ready? I'm going to make
Look. Ready? Don't blink.
Go
Don't miss
in.
it.
It's so like it really bad.
You want to go? You want to try this? Go. Go try
Look.
it. Let's try it.
Try. You try. Come on.
Here,
Shoot a shot. Shoot
See?
it.
Watch.
Watch.
Learn.
He did that.
I'm lucky. It's rigged. It's rigged.
I'm getting
No.
it.
No, come on.
No.
This is it.
Fine. You can try. Ready?
Okay.
I'm gonna get in.
What?
You
It's
know
so
what?
rigged.
This
Okay,
bird
watch.
just
She
made
missed
me.
it.
What?
Okay, seriously, just
He listens to you.
He
So
listens
you're
to
going
us.
to tell him. You are going to tell him.
You
to
tell
get out
him.
there and so that we can play our game.
yeah. So he didn't
No,
know.
yes. Oh, that's home. He probably has babies.
Fine. Shut up.
No,
Shut
I
up.
don't
Shut
care. I
We
do
cha-
not
fine.
care about-
All stakes, all the marbles. We challenge you to a game
Yeah.
of basketball.
Yeah, 1-on-1. If you win, then he gets to stay up in
Yep.
the lead. But if we win,
If we
then we
win,
get to play in piano
you,
league.
yep, cupcake. You got to tell him
Okay.
to get it off. It's
You
our-
go first.
It's our hoop. Fine. Let's do this.
How do you play this game?
I'll show you. Psych. Stop making weird faces.
Yeah, seriously, they're creepy.
Okay.
No,
Stop
no,
lucky.
no,
Stop
you are
lucky.
fired.
No.
Go.
But she
I'm
got
doing
lucky.
this. I'm doing
She
this.
got lucky.
I'm
She
doing
got lucky.
Okay, we're doing this.
I'm done. I quit.
No, you
That's
travel.
not cool.
That's not.
What the heck? What is this? It's another egg. That was a yummy egg.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, I did have breakfast, but like, it's like another breakfast, you
Okay,
know?
okay,
It was pretty
let's
good.
go, baby.
She has a helper. You can't even beat her. See, stop.
Okay, fine. We'll go.
Shut up, Bird. We're both doing that. We're taking you on, dude.
2 on 2.
Go on, two. Yep. Reset. You can't reach it, princess. Huh? You're so bad.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Yates. What? She's still reading it. Pass back, pass back.
Ready?
No, to you.
Okay, back to you.
No, back to you.
Alright, I'm passing it. Hey!
Give it back.
Give our ball back.
You're so annoying, Bird. Gosh. You liked it. Yeah.
Okay.
You know what?
Don't
Just keep the ball.
leave.
Whoa.
We're not checking the
I
ball,
mean,
just keep
that's
it.
not as gross as this egg.
Let's
But
just
same
go.
thing. Fine. We're done.
Why'd you eat an egg?
I want the bird to get to say where he wants to. Thank you.